Hi students, Mrs. Gaunt here with one of our chemistry demos for your enjoyment today. So what I'm going to demonstrate for you is called the clock reaction. So what I have here is two different solutions. In one I have a substance called that's in this one. Metabisulfate and starch are in this solution. And in this solution I have potassium iodate. So the thing about names of solutions like sodium metabisulfate, it just sounds foreign and you don't really know what it is, but you can sort of pick out names of elements in the substance names sometimes. So metabisulfate, here I have a picture of a sodium metabisulfate. Sodium is an element, sulfate is an element, and the other words like the meta and bi and the ite tell us things about the molecule of sulfur that's in there. The other solution, which I didn't bring the container with me, but it's called potassium iodate. That might be even a little bit easier to pull out the names of the elements. Potassium is an element and iodine is an element. All right, so I got two different solutions here and we're gonna watch some surprising stuff happen. So I got one that I've labeled B and one that I've labeled A because it's gonna be combining them that causes something to happen. All right, so watch carefully and do not take your eyes off of these solutions. I'm gonna even talk while I do it because actually I've had some students tell me they think this is fake. It's totally not fake. Science is not fake. We don't make up tricks and show you stuff and tell you that, oh my goodness, look at what just happened. Everything turned dark. Everything in both beakers all at the same time. Even this drip is dark, right? So what the heck happened? So some people say, oh, you just photoshopped that and you colored all the liquid the same color. That's way too much work. When the chemistry will do it for me, why would I go bother and do that? So let me just give you another demonstration and show you something that you may already know about science. I mean, if you've done any kind of chemistry, you might have used indicators to show you when something is present. All right, a lot of times we'll do a trick where we break up crackers and we drop iodine on it because iodine and starch, which is what's in crackers, turns color. So what I have in this beaker is just plain old starch, like what you'd find in a cracker, but it's a solution, so we've got all the cracker crumbs out of it, and I've got this kind of old solution of iodine. It's going to take quite a bit of this just because it's old, but watch what happens to this. All right, so iodine mixed with starch makes it turn this color. What makes this so interesting though, this one so interesting, is that it stayed clear for a while and then suddenly, within a few seconds, it all changed color at the same time. So what was going on? Well, there was iodine in one solution, there was starch in the other, but don't forget there was potassium and sulfate and sodium in these, and those other parts of those solutions were reacting with each other first. So it wasn't until those other things were used up that the iodine and the starch were left free to react with each other. And the instant that happened, the solution changes color. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. See ya.